Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Zendesk for customer support. Let's get started. First, go to Zendesk. Once you're on the home page, you will see that Zendesk is designed to improve customer service. It helps you track customer interactions, manage tickets, and customize the customer experience. Zendesk is a popular tool used by businesses of all sizes to handle customer support requests efficiently. To start using Zendesk, sign up by clicking on the free trial option. Enter your work email, first name, last name, phone number, job title, company name, number of employees, and preferred language. Then, create a password and complete the sign-up process. Next, activate your account by verifying your email. Go to your inbox, find the verification email, and click Verify Now. After activation, log in using your registered email and password. You may be prompted to answer a few setup questions. Feel free to skip them if you prefer. Then, click Save and View Agent Experience. Once registered, you'll be redirected to the Zendesk dashboard, your central hub for managing all customer support activities. The Zendesk dashboard is the central place for managing customer service and support operations. It provides an intuitive interface for support agents and administrators to efficiently handle customer interactions, track ticket progress, and monitor overall performance. On the left side, you will see the main navigation menu. The sections include Home, Views, Customers, Organizations, Reporting, and Admin. The Home section provides a quick overview of your open tickets, ticket statistics, and other key information. This helps agents stay updated on their workload and track important customer interactions in real time. To quickly add new items, use the Quick Add option. This feature allows you to add a new ticket, user, or organization with ease. Additionally, the search bar at the top of the dashboard enables you to find customers, tickets, and other relevant information efficiently. The Quick Add feature is particularly useful when dealing with multiple customer queries, allowing agents to streamline their workflow and maintain organization. To begin managing customer interactions, the first step is adding a customer to Zendesk. Click on the Customer section in the navigation menu, then click Add Customer. Enter the customer's name and email address, then click Add. Once added, the customer will appear in your list. Once a customer is added, you can create tickets for them. Open the customer profile and click New Ticket. A ticket creation form will appear. In the Requester field, select the customer who needs support. Assign the ticket to a support agent or yourself. Add followers if other agents need to track the ticket. Zendesk allows you to categorize tickets based on the issue type, ensuring that the right team members are assigned to handle specific problems. Next, add tags to categorize the issue. Select the ticket type, such as question, incident, problem, or task. Choose a priority level, low, normal, high, or urgent. Enter a subject and describe the issue in the public reply section. After entering the details, click Submit as New. The ticket is now created. Zendesk provides an intuitive interface that makes ticket management simple and effective. You can create multiple tickets using the Quick Add option. Select a requester and enter ticket details directly from the dashboard. You can also create tickets from the New Ticket section by selecting an existing customer. Having a streamlined ticketing process ensures that customer concerns are addressed in a timely manner. Now let's look at managing customers. In the Customers section, you will see all added customers. You can perform bulk actions like importing or deleting multiple customers. You can also filter the list based on tags, time zones, and last updated date. Managing customer records efficiently is crucial for businesses that handle high volumes of support requests daily. Next, let's explore organizations. If you work with different companies or teams, you can group customers under an organization. Click on the Organization section and then click Add Organization. Enter the organization's name and domain, then click Add. The organization is now created. You can add multiple users to an organization. Just like individual customers, you can create tickets for organizations and assign them to relevant support agents. Zendesk makes it easy to organize customers by company, improving the efficiency of your customer service operations. At the top of the screen, you can quickly switch between tickets, customers, and organizations using tab-like navigation. This makes it easy to manage multiple interactions at once. The ability to switch seamlessly between different sections helps agents stay productive and provide faster responses to customer queries. Let's move on to reporting. The reporting section provides insights into your Zendesk activities. You can analyze ticket trends, response times, and overall customer experience. The reports help improve service efficiency and measure team performance. Zendesk offers detailed analytics that help businesses understand their customer service performance and identify areas for improvement. Zendesk also offers live chat support through the Talk Live feature. Here, you can track live customer interactions, view total calls, queued callbacks, available agents, average wait time, and longest wait time. This feature is helpful for managers and team leaders who want to monitor customer service performance in real time. Live chat is an essential tool for businesses that want to provide instant support to customers. Now let's go to the admin settings. The admin section is useful if you manage a team of agents. Click on People to add agents and assign them specific roles. You can also manage your account settings, billing, security logs, and audit logs. Zendesk allows administrators to control user access, ensuring that only authorized personnel can modify sensitive settings. Zendesk supports integrations with third-party apps. In the Apps and Integrations section, you can connect platforms like Zapier, Google Calendar, HubSpot, and more. This makes it easy to streamline your workflow and automate tasks. Integrating Zendesk with other business tools helps improve productivity and enhances the customer support experience. The Agent Workspace allows agents to manage their interactions efficiently. They can track assigned tickets, reply to customers, and collaborate with other team members. Agent tools help improve productivity by organizing tasks and prioritizing customer requests. The workspace is customizable, allowing businesses to tailor Zendesk to fit their specific support needs. Another important feature in Zendesk is Views. The Views section organizes tickets based on status. You can filter unsolved tickets, unassigned tickets, recently updated tickets, pending tickets, suspended tickets, and deleted tickets. Click on Manage Views to customize your ticket organization. Having an organized ticketing system helps support teams stay on top of customer inquiries. Zendesk also supports bulk actions. You can select multiple tickets and perform actions like merging, marking as spam, or deleting. This helps manage a large number of support requests quickly. Bulk actions save time and ensure that repetitive tasks are handled efficiently. With Zendesk, you can efficiently manage customer service by creating users, organizations, and tickets. You can analyze performance with reporting and use admin tools to control access and settings. It is an all-in-one solution for improving customer support and running a successful business. That's it. Thank you for watching.